Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create your website on Shopify, and I will show you step by step how to make your account or your website on Shopify more professional and more attractive and attention. As you see guys, it's very easy, so let's get started. As you see guys, after creating your Shopify account and verify your account with email and your phone number, then just go directly to this online store. Then tap and click on online store. Then first guys, you need to select and you need to choose your theme of your website. And guys, this is the default theme. Then if you want to add a new one for free, just follow the steps. Then you need to scroll down to a popular free theme. Then you need to scroll down to and click to visit theme store. Then wait a few seconds. As you see guys, this is all theme on Shopify store. Then if you want to select the free one, just go directly to this price and select the free one. Then guys, you need to scroll down to choose which one better for you or your store. Then guys, for me, for example, just an example, I will give you how to create a new website. Then I will choose for example, I like this one. I like this one. Then guys, if you want to add it to your Shopify store, just click and try theme. Then guys, wait a few seconds to add in and the theme on your Shopify store. Then guys, you need to scroll down and wait a few seconds to add the theme. It's me. His name is Taste Theme to your Shopify account. As you see guys, it was just added. Then if you want to work with this theme, just go directly to customize. Then click on customize. As you see guys, this is the theme of your website. Then if you want to customize it and to edit the theme, just follow the steps. As you see guys, the first step is go to home page. This is the home page. Then go directly to announcement bar, the first one. As you see guys, just click on the announcement bar. Automatically it will appear which place in your website that you need to edit. Then guys, announcement bar. Then for example, if you want to add a new one, just click on this plus, or if you want to remove it, and double click and remove. Then guys, if you want to edit this one, just go directly to a right side announcement, then welcome to our store. For example, I will change it to free shipping. As you see guys, free shipping was added successfully. Then go directly to title. The title, as you see guys, it's the header. Then if you want to add a section on the header, just hit on the plus icon. Then you can add the header, the section that you want, or you can keep it like this. Just if you want to add it to add something, for example, just only switch, and if you want to select the home and catalog and contact. If you want to remove this one, just click on the contact and you can remove it, or you can add the contact. Then you need to add the name, the email, the phone number. You can add your phone number and you can add a comment, or you don't need. Then if you want to remove this section, just click and remove this section, or if you want to keep it, just add your name and your email and phone number. As you see guys, go directly again and we'll come back to header. And guys, if you want to edit the background, go directly to the color scheme. Then go and select this arrow and go and select the first one. As you see guys, the color and the background was edited. Then guys, and go and click on home section. Then guys, if you want to add your logo, you can add image with text, or you can just add the image, or you can add, for example, type something, watch man, for example. Then guys, go directly to image with text, the watchman. If you want to hide it, just tap and automatically it will hide it. Then guys, go directly to add section. If you want to add a section to your website, for example, rich text and image with text again, and image banner or slideshow. If you have too much product, then if you want to add a slideshow, it means too much pictures on your website, then add slideshow. As you see guys, the slideshow section was added. Then if you want to add a slideshow, just add, as you see guys, on the left side there is image slide. Then you can add the image, or can change it to the second one. Then if you want to add a slideshow again, another image, then just tap on a slideshow, any image that you have. Then guys, the last one is add the folder. The folder, it's always, I prefer to add your email, for example, your email address. Or if you want to remove this section, you can remove it, or you can hide it. As you see guys, it's very easy. Or you can hide it, then it will add it to your website. As you see guys, it's very easy to edit your website and add the picture and the product. As you see guys, it's very easy. After you finish creating your website, just hit on save, then automatically your website, it will create it successfully. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.